You understand? Because I have to be taking them up when the cold come. But you're going to see two of them get big, big. One of them blossomed last year. The mango tree.
You serious?
I'm surprised it did. I thought this year was when it's gonna blossom one whole mango. But instead it don't blossom.
Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Things. Today I'm going with my brother and family to plant some Jamaican fruit trees. Millie mango, pear or avocado, jackfruit and that sort of thing. So come along, all right? I haven't done this in a long while. Same thing they think. Them look so nice.
Cover story, the redemption of Justin Bieber. And Zach joins us now with more on the significance of this transformation. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'm coming. Oh, you mean from us? No. Can't even see them on the board. Oh, I didn't know. Bloody. Oh, you're on your mask, that's right. Yeah, that is so nice. Look at the last one all the way to the end. Don't destroy the rest of them because they're too pretty.
You want the door open, Mama?
Yeah, better you open it so that you can. Mango, the tree going grow lean.
When we was there, we didn't see. Mommy, wait. You alone don't do it. It's too rich.
Oh, I see what you mean. Too much minerals.
So we should now drop the tree in there. Or too deep.
No, Mom.
If better, if it deep, then it above.
Alright, let's me put it right here, so. Yeah. I'm gonna lift it up and let's see if it can come out. Alright. Wait, no, I have to lift it sideways.
Goodbye.
Okay.
No.
Right down in the hole.
Not too deep.
Me figure it better if it's too deep than it's too.
You're going to put more of that around the ring now and mix it up. it to come out more?
I don't want any face, anybody's face in here.
What do you think? Or put little more dirt?
Yeah. If you want to.
Like is the Aki. Is that tree there? It's alright, I can cut it then. Is the Aki?
Cut it!
Is the Aki and